Basically, most of the items are organic, gluten-free, and we have a big variety of pasta, appetizers, salads, lights, especially for lunch, suitable for ladies which they are looking after the health. And we have, of course, our homemade pizza.
Okay.
And we have our grill, our rotisserie, where we do mostly of our main courses. From the kitchen also we do a lot of appetizer, good also for sharing for the large tables and large company.